Silver skies and shattered lights, lonely roads and endless nights. But somewhere deep beyond the gray, I still believe we'll find our way. We become the light. After the rain, after the fall, we rise again, we feel it all. After the storm, after the pain, we find the light. After the rain, we were never lost. We were becoming. Silver skies